Hey guys, it's ArchieLuxury, and today, guys, I got an unboxing to do for you. That's right, guys, it's an unboxing. Let's get the intro played and let's get into the unboxing. Let's get the intro. Hey guys, ArchieLuxury, and today, guys, I am doing an unboxing. Let's get the show on the road. Da-da-da-da! What is it? It's a Grand Seiko. Grand Seiko. Now, before we start this unboxing, I might just take off my Speedmeister, man on the moon. Take that off. Okay. So let's get this baby on the road. So this is the box here. What does it say underneath here? It's got some writing here, and it says box made in Japan. That's right, guys. It says the box wood, leather, cloth, paper, polymer, cushion, polyester. Box made in Japan. That's nice to know. So let's take the lid off. That's the lid. And it's a shame this box here doesn't have a flap. It's kind of like you've got to take... Oh, shit. So you've got this thing here, which is wrapped in ornamental rice paper. But it's a little bit, if it had a flap on it, it would have been so much better. It would be so much better if this stupid thing had a flap on it, which unfortunately it doesn't. So then we've got the bottom compartment. We've got this rubber. It's a foam sort of piece. And in the bottom here, we've got, so what we got here, that's the kind of the foam to keep it all nice. Okay. And then we've got the booklet. So what do we got here? We have got this is the Grand Seiko book on spring drives. Thank you very much. It's in a host of languages. Interestingly, the first language is English. Hey! And it tells you, just tells you a bit about the spring drive, how it works. It says the difference between the spring drive and mechanical watch. It says for the spring drive, the mainspring is wound and the unwinding power of the mainspring moves the hands in the same manner as a mechanical watch. It differs from a mechanical watch only in the speed regulating unit. Okay, so the speed regulating unit. Okie dokie, da. So it's actually quite interesting how it goes through a lot of the stuff. Okie dokie, that's nice to know. The sort of book you'd get if you bought a Camry. Then we've got the folder here, which has got the important thing in, is the Grand Seiko card. In this case here, 15th of the 2nd, 2022. This one came from the Grand Seiko Sydney Boutique. I think that's Sydney. Yeah, Sydney Boutique. Grand Seiko Boutique in Sydney. Okay, Okie dokie. So that's okay. That's the card. Lifetime warranty. Fuck. And then we have here, I got a copy of the receipt in here. Oh, this just tells you about the lifetime warranty. Hi. And this here is a copy of the receipt. And this particular gentleman, he paid for it. What did he pay? This is in Aussie dollars. He paid for it. 8,100 Aussie dollars. 8,100 Aussie dollars. 8,100 Aussie dollars. So yeah, very, very cool indeed. So 8,100 Aussie dollars for this particular Grand Seiko, which that's considerable. That's a fair bit of money. So I'm just going to put this back into. So it uses this is the 9R instruction spring drive. We can put that in there. We put the foam piece in here. Okie dokie. Now we're going to look at the box here. So it's got this piece. Now, unfortunately, because the box doesn't have a flap, you get this rice paper crumpled up, which would be ceremonial rice paper. Very nice. Okay. And this is the box itself here. So, it's good to know the box is made in Japan. Da-da-da-da. There we go. It's got a little dongle thingy there. There's a cloth. Yeah, that's done quite well. And that's the watch. This is the watch. The watch. We'll get that out. So that's the box. Got the logo. I like the cloth there. That cloth is actually clever. It's okay. That doesn't come out. That's the cloth for the top of it. Yeah, that's Grand Seiko box. That's quite nice. Okie dokie. This is the cushion. It feels like a Toyota Century. You know, it's just got a cushion you'd have in a. And this is what the watch itself looks like. Let's have a look. There we go. And it's got the most amazing sweep second. See how the second hand sweeps? You fall in love with that. And just give it a bit of a shake. You can see the power reserve getting wound up. See the power reserve there? Give it a bit of a shake. We'll wind this Seiko up. Wind the bobbin. Wind the bobbin. Pull. It's getting it wound up. So it's actually, what do I think of it? This is my first Grand Seiko. I don't dislike it. I do not dislike it. I think it is quite an attractive watch. I do not mind this watch at all. I'll just bring up a photo of it. There we go. I don't mind this watch at all. It's I quite like the opaline, the dial. It's a chunky monkey. Like, it's quite a thick watch. It's about 40 mils. Interestingly, it uses a 19 mil strap, which I don't know what to say there. That's unusual. It is unusual. What can I say about it? It is beautiful. It's a beautiful watch. It is beautiful. It's beautiful. It's part of the Elegance collection. So classical styled spring drive watch. This simply finished model with no crown guard is driven by Grand Seiko's unique spring drive caliber, which combines the motive force of a mainspring with the high precision of a quartz watch. In spring drive, the second hand moves in perfect glide. Note, yes, second hand just flows. It has a 72-hour power reserve indicator. Has a 5-year limited warranty. Okay, it's got a crocodile strap. So let's have a look. The size of it is, the diameter is 40.2 millimeters. I quite like it. It's a chunky monkey. It is a chunky monkey. It is. I like it. I like it. I like it. Yeah, it's fascinating watch there. Yeah, I got nothing bad against it. I think it's a lovely. The strap's a little bit small. These are Japanese market. I got it on the last strap, but it actually fits me nicely. That's quite comfortable. That's nice. What do I think of it? It's actually really, it feels quality. It does feel quality. Super shiny. It doesn't feel like a piece of shit. It actually feels quite beautiful. It is a beautiful watch. Grand Seiko. I like it. I like it. I do like it. I like it. Yeah, I do. I do like it. It is beautiful. It's beautiful. It is not a bad piece at all. No, it's not bad at all. I don't have a problem with it. It is cool. It's a cool piece. It is very cool. Very cool indeed. So Grand Seiko. I'm quite happy. I think it's a beautiful watch. It's quality. Full box paper set. Yeah. Look, I think it punches. It is unique. It's very conservative. It's very traditional. I've got nothing bad to say about it. I quite enjoy it. I enjoy it. I do enjoy this watch. I think it is it's nice. It's really nice. I think that could be a beautiful watch. You could have a lifetime of use with that watch. It is beautiful. It's a quality, nice watch. It's different to Rolex. It's different. It's got a different yin and yang. I got nothing against it. I think it is quite superb. Yeah, no, it is quite a superb watch. Would I keep it? Am I going to flip it? I'll play with it for a bit. I don't think it's a terrible watch to be stuck with. It's a nice watch. I kind of, in some ways, I don't know. It's kind of quirky Japanese. It's quirky like a Toyota Century is quirky. It's expensive. Some of the styling cues, like I like Patek. They use a 21 mil strap on a 37 mil 5196. This is it's a 40.2 mil, 40.2, and it's using a 19 mil strap. You think, ooh, that's kind of, is it, there's nothing wrong with that. That's okay. It's Japanese. It's Japanese. It is beautiful. It's a quality watch. I think it is unique. I don't mind having it. I don't mind wearing it. I don't mind it at all. I I do like it. I like it. I like it. Yes, I do. The verdict is in. I actually like it. Yes, sirree. I like it. I like it a lot. Yeah. It is very, very cool. It's a cool watch. It is cool. So, what do I think of it? What do I think? I think you could do a lot worse than the Grand Seiko. It's high. The jiu-jitsu polishing. It's a quality piece. It is quality. It is quality. It's quality piece. I quite like it. It's uniquely Japanese. It's very unique. So, yeah. First Grand Seiko guys. Tell me what you think. Like, subscribe, tell your friends, and tell me what you think, guys. I'm ArchieLuxury. I want to hear what you think. And if you want to buy or sell a watch in America, I'd recommend David SW. Hi, guys. It's ArchieLuxury. Guys, I want to talk to you about David SW. David SW, David SW. Guys, if you are in America, if you are looking for a Rolex watch of your dreams, in fact, if you're looking for a contemporary modern wristwatch, I strongly advise you to look at David SW. Guys, don't play the dealer games. Don't bring in chocolates or Krispy Kremes for your dealer hoping to get a Rolex at retail. It's futile. Please, guys, save your dignity. Keep some pride. Go to David SW. I would highly recommend David SW, David SW. If you're in America and you're looking for a watch, go to David SW, David SW, David SW. That's right, guys. Check out David SW. I'm quite liking the Grand Seiko. What do you guys think? Put a comment below and let me know, Fikers. Let me know.